Making side dishes in the morning is a hassle, so I meal prep for it. You can use these ideas for your lunch or dinner too, so please check it out. First, I'm going to make simmered Hijiki seaweed. This is the main ingredient, Hijiki seaweed. I need to soak this in plenty of water for 20 to 30 minutes. Let's cut vegetables and mushroom to be cooked with Hijiki. Thinly cut carrot, Shiitake mushroom, and thin fried tofu. Drain water from it and wash it quickly. Oil the pot and fry carrot for about 1 minute. Then add Hijiki seaweed. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. And add thin fried tofu and shiitake mushrooms. Add water. Season it with sugar, mirin, soy sauce, dashi granules. You can use dashi soup instead of water and dashi granules. Reduce heat to low and simmer uncovered until most of the water is gone. Stir occasionally. It's optional, but I'm gonna prepare edamame beans while simmering. It's also popular to add other type of beans. I like to add edamame because it makes the dish so colorful. There is just a little bit of broth left at the bottom of the pot, so add edamame. Next, I'm going to make bacon and corn potato salad. Cut potato into small pieces and cook it in microwave. Thinly slice cucumber. Sprinkle with salt and stir. Leave it until water comes out. When potato is cooked, mash them with a fork. Then let it cool. While it's cooling down, let's prepare corn. I use frozen one, so I wash it and fry lightly to evaporate moisture. Cut bacon and fry until crisp. Once potatoes cool down, add bacon and corn. Squeeze water out of cucumber, add it to the bowl. Add mayonnaise and black pepper. Start to combine. When freezing, you should not use cucumbers due to high water content. Next, I'm going to make Kinpira. It's a traditional Japanese dish made with burdock, sometimes with meat or other vegetables. It has a sweet soy flavor. First, shred burdock and carrot. Oil the pan. Stir fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Season it with sugar, sake, mirin, soy sauce, dashi granules, and salt. Stir fry until most of the liquid is gone. Add the sesame seeds as you like. The last meal prep is boiled komatsuna. It's Japanese mustard spinach. Other leafy greens can be substituted. Chop komatsuna and wash them. Oil the pan and stir fry stem part for 1 minute. Then add the leaf part. Add the soy sauce, mirin, dashi granules, and ground sesame seeds. Stir fry for a little. When freezing, drain off the water well and freeze. Now it's time to cook breakfast. Since I have meal prep, I will make only miso soup today. First, I need to cut the vegetables. Cut green onion, burdock, carrot, and daikon. Simmer these with water until soft. By the way, miso soup in this video is for 2 servings. Once the vegetables are cooked to some extent, cut pork, and add it to the pot. Skim the foam from the top of the soup. Add diced tofu. Simmer for a while. Add miso paste and dissolve miso. Add dashi granules too if you need one. This miso paste already contains dashi. Dish up side dishes. I put black sesame seeds and pickled plum on rice. Dish up pork miso soup. Next day, I'm going to make Hijiki rice bowl. Place cooked rice in the bowl to cool slightly. For rolled omelette, I'm gonna use Kinpira, Burdock and carrot. So let's mince it. I've got this cute sausage in fridge, so fry it until octopus shaped. Make beaten egg. add minced kinpira. No seasoning is added because of the flavor of the kinpira. Oil the pan and pour a thin layer of egg liquid. Roll up when cooked. Repeat that a couple of times. Mix rice with simmered Hijiki seaweed. Make rice balls. Put boiled komatsuna. For the last one, I'm going to make miso soup using leftover vegetables. Cut daikon, carrot, burdock, shiitake mushrooms, and thin fried tofu. Simmer vegetables first with water. Again, this miso soup is for 2 servings. Next, let's cook salmon in the pan. Sprinkle salt as you like. Cook for 4 minutes on each side. Next, I'm gonna make spicy tuna rice bowl. Drain the oil from the canned tuna. Add mayonnaise, red pepper, soy sauce. Place rice on plastic wrap. Put tuna mixture. Then put more rice. Gently hold the rice bowl. Sprinkle a little salt on the surface of the rice bowl. Once the vegetables are cooked to some extent, add shiitake mushrooms and fried tofu. Simmer for a while. Add miso paste and dissolve miso. Add dashi granules too if you need one. This miso paste already contains dashi. Lastly, I make fried egg. Let's dish up. Shiso and salted salmon go great together. Put simmered hijiki seaweed. Wrap rice bowl in nori seaweed as you like. Enjoy your breakfast!